Have you ever wondered how to make your own wooden gate? Well, wonder no more. Today we delve into the fascinating world of gate making, a craft as old as civilization itself. It's not just about nailing planks together, it's about creating a welcoming portal, a protective barrier, and a piece of art that enhances your home's aesthetic appeal. This journey of craftsmanship will take us through the entire process. We'll start with gathering the right materials, selecting the optimal type of wood for durability and design. Then, we'll move on to the design phase, where we'll help you envision your gate's final look. After that, it's time to roll up our sleeves and get down to the actual construction. And of course, we can't forget the finishing touches, those little details that really make your gate stand out. There's a certain satisfaction that comes with creating something with your own hands, especially something as practical and beautiful as a wooden gate. So, stay tuned to find out how you can make your own wooden gate from scratch. The first step in making your very own wooden gate is gathering all necessary materials. So, let's talk timber. You can't just pick up any old piece of wood. Cedar, redwood, and treated pine are perfect choices for their durability and resistance to rot and pests. Now let's not forget about the hardware. We'll need screws, preferably stainless steel for their resistance to rust. Hinges are crucial too, heavy-duty ones to support the weight of our gate. Your toolbox should be armed with the basics: a saw, drill, tape measure, and a carpenter's square. These tools will cut, join, and ensure everything is in the right place and angle. And remember, safety first. Always have your gloves and safety goggles on hand. The wood is our canvas, the screws and hinges are connectors, and the tools are brushes. With these, we're not just building a gate, we're crafting a masterpiece. Once you have all your materials ready, it's time to move on to the design phase. With your materials at hand, it's time to get creative and design your gate. The foundation of a remarkable gate lies in its design. It's where creative ingenuity meets practical functionality. You see, in gate making, planning and design are not mere afterthoughts. Rather, they are the heartbeat of the entire process, dictating every cut, every joint, every inch of your gate. Now, when it comes to design, there's a world of possibilities. You could opt for a classic picket fence style, a timeless symbol of quaint charm. Or perhaps a tall, robust panel gate, offering privacy and a bold statement. Maybe you're drawn to the elegance of a split-rail gate, with its rustic allure and open design. The choice is yours. But remember, a gate is more than just a barrier. It's a statement piece, a reflection of your home, and it should be as pleasing to the eye as it is functional. That said, functionality is key. The gate should be easy to open and close, durable enough to withstand the elements, and proportionate to the surrounding fence or wall. So, as you sketch your design, consider the height, the width, the thickness of the materials, the positioning of the hinges and latches, and the overall structure of the gate. These are not minute details, they are the very fabric of your gate's functionality. Also, don't shy away from adding your personal touch. Maybe it's a unique pattern etched into the wood, a whimsical cutout, or a distinct paint job. After all, this is your gate, a testament to your craftsmanship. So grab your pencil and paper, sketch out your ideas, revise them, perfect them. This is your canvas, and you're the artist. Remember, there's no right or wrong design, only the one that resonates with you, one that combines beauty with function. With a solid design in place, you're ready to start building your gate. Now that you have your design, it's time to turn your vision into reality. Let's break down the construction process into manageable steps, starting with measuring and cutting the wood. First, ensure that the measurements on your design match the area where your gate will be placed. Use a tape measure to double-check the width and height of the space. With these measurements in hand, you can now mark out the same dimensions on your wood planks. Remember, it's always better to measure twice and cut once. Next, using a circular saw or a hand saw, carefully cut along your marked lines. Be sure to follow safety precautions and wear protective eyewear and gloves. This process will give you the pieces you need to start assembling your gate. Now, let's move on to assembly. Lay out your cut pieces on a flat surface according to your design. It's a good idea to start with the frame. Use a carpenter's square to ensure the corners are at right angles. This is key to making sure your gate hangs straight and swings smoothly. Once you're satisfied with the layout, it's time to secure the pieces together. You can use wood screws for this task. Pre-drill holes to prevent the wood from splitting, then drive in the screws. A power drill will make this job much easier and quicker. Remember, the strength of your gate lies in its joints, so make sure they are robust and secure. You can also reinforce the joints with metal brackets for added stability. Next, we'll install the hinges and handle. The hinges will be attached to the side of the gate that will be swinging open and closed. Place them at a third from the top and bottom of your gate for even weight distribution. Once again, pre-drill the holes before screwing the hinges in place. The handle should be placed at a comfortable height for regular use. As a rule of thumb, place it at about waist height or slightly lower. And there you have it. Your gate is now assembled and ready for the next stage, which will be finishing touches like painting or staining to protect the wood and give it a polished look. Building a gate might seem like a daunting task, but by breaking it down into these steps, it becomes much more manageable. The key is to take your time, follow your design, and ensure each step is done correctly. Remember, the beauty of doing it yourself is that you can customize every aspect to your liking. So, don't be afraid to add your personal touch to the design or the finish. With your gate assembled, you're one step closer to completing your project. Stay tuned for the next part where we'll discuss the finishing touches to your gate, turning it from a simple structure into a statement piece for your home. You've built your gate, but you're not done yet. It's time for the finishing touches. The gate is built, but it's not quite ready to stand guard at the entrance to your home. The raw wood needs a bit of refinement. That's where sanding comes in. As much as it's about smoothing out the surface, sanding is also about bringing out the natural beauty of the wood. It's about revealing the grain, the knots, the unique character that makes your gate truly one of a kind. To start, use a coarse grit sandpaper to knock down any rough spots or high points. Then, gradually work your way down to finer grits for a silky, smooth finish. Remember to always sand along the grain, not against it, to avoid creating scratches that will mar the wood's surface. Once you're satisfied with the smoothness, it's time to protect your work of art. Wood, especially when it's outdoors, needs a shield against the elements. Paint or stain not only provides that protection, but it also enhances the wood's appearance. Paint offers a wide range of colors and can give your gate a bold, vibrant look. Stain, on the other hand, penetrates deeper and enhances the wood grain while providing a more natural finish. Apply evenly using a brush or a roller and let it dry thoroughly. Now here's the fun part: personalizing your gate. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Consider adding decorative elements that reflect your style. Maybe it's ornate ironwork, a whimsical knocker, or even a custom sign. These details can turn a functional gate into a statement piece that welcomes visitors with a hint of your personality. With these finishing touches, your wooden gate is now complete. Enjoy the satisfaction of knowing you've crafted something both beautiful and functional, a testament to your skill and creativity. Congratulations! You've successfully built your own wooden gate. What an accomplishment! You've journeyed from the raw simplicity of gathering materials, to the creative process of designing your gate, to the hands-on creation, and finally, to applying those finishing touches that make your gate uniquely yours. This is the beauty of do-it-yourself projects, isn't it? The satisfaction that comes with creating something from scratch. Something that is not only functional, but also a testament to your skills and creativity. You've turned a pile of wood into an impressive gate, a feat not everyone can claim. So what's next? Maybe a matching fence or a garden bench? The world of DIY is boundless, limited only by your imagination. We encourage you to take the skills you've learned today and apply them to your next project. And don't forget to share your results. We can't wait to your own interpretations of this project. Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to seeing your own gate creations. Please like, subscribe and share this video if you found it helpful.